In today's video, we are about to be learning how to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. So this is actually really exciting to do. So first you can head over to your Instagram and then head over to your chat. So these are all of your chats. Let's just say you want to hide something but you do not want to delete it. So what you can do is, let's just say we have a channel by the name of, let's just say, ST Supermom, and we want to press on it, and what we can do is simply add it to general. So once it does, you can see you cannot see it in the chats, but it's not deleted as well. Once you head over to your general section, it is going to be over here, and from here you can choose to move it back or move it to unread section or wherever you would like, or maybe delete it if you want. So that's how easy it is. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you around in the next video.